Now, I want to explain this question to you. That is based. This question is based on the concave mirror, and we have talked about so far natures of images formed by concave mirror. We're not looking at that. We're looking at the calculations of it today. Now, look at something here. Now, I'll read the question. I already have the question solved, and I'm going to be explaining using what they have there to solve this question. So now, the very first thing I want us to look at is how to bring out our data. Now, look at this. We have for a concave mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter. So if you check there now, we're giving radius of curvature, but given radius of curvature, that's radius of curvature 40. I'm coming. These are radius of curvature here. Our radius of curvature, let me use different color. Let me use different color highlighter. These are radius of curvature 40, radius of curvature 40. You can see that, right? So now, to that 40 we are going to be having now, we already have it there. That's our radius of curvature. These are parameters here now. Then forms a real image. Forms a real image. A real image means that the image is going to be, we'll call the image V, and we'll call our object what? U. Forms a real image, which is what now? Twice as large as the object. The object is going to be U. So if our object, that's our object, is equals to U, then we'll have our image to be what now? Twice U. That's our V will be equals to twice U. That's what we're having here. You understand the point? That's to tell that the magnification is what? Is 2. Your magnification is what? Is 2. Because magnification is equals to magnification, M is equals to what now? V over what? U. So since we're having 2U over U, our magnification is what? Is 2. But that's not, we are not concerned about that side. We're not concerned about it. So we are going to be focusing on the one they give to us here now. So you understand? Our what now? Our V is 2U. Our V, let me, you can see this place I'm highlighting. Our V is 2U. You get the point, right? So now we move on to the question. So since our U is U and our V is equals to 2U, U is the object. You understand? Either object, anything that has to do with the object, either object size or what now, or object distance, and the V is equals to image distance or image, that's the size. You understand? Good. So now let's go now. Recall that from our this thing, recall that we're having F is equals to what now? That's what we say radius of curvature is equals to twice focal length. That means focal length is equals to radius of curvature over what? Over 2. So that's what we did here. So don't forget that we're not giving focal length, we're only giving radius of curvature. So if we divide our radius of curvature by 2, we'll get our focal length to be equals to 20 centimeter. You understand? That is the 40. We divide the radius of curvature here by what? By 2, we'll get what now? Our, that's a focal length, which is what now? 20 centimeter. So now using the formula, 1 over F is equals to this formula now. 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So because it forms a kind of a real image, so that's why we're using 1 over, we're using our image is what now? 1 over V. And it means it forms a virtual image, that will be 1 over minus V. You understand? That will now be something like minus 1 over V. You get the point, right? So in case it forms a virtual image, we're going to be having 1 over F is equals to 1 over U minus 1 over V, because the image is to the is to negative end. The image is to a negative, virtual image is an image that is formed at the negative end. Virtual negative end. Real positive. You understand? Real is positive. Bear that in mind. Real is positive. You understand my point, Abi? Good. So now we are taking up everything so I can continue with our this now. Initially, we have known our F as a 20. So 1 over 20, that's here now, 1 over 20, 1 over 20, using substituting into the formula equals to 1 over U. Don't know our U, so it's equal to 1 over U, then plus 1 over V. Don't forget that our V from this place is what now? Is 2U. So you understand, our V plus this place is 2U, so we have 1 over plus 1 over 2U. You get the point, right? So looking for the LCM, looking for the LCM, looking for the LCM of this, of U and 2. We now have the LCM as what now? As 2U. You understand? LCM of U and 2 is what? Is 2U. 2U divided by U, this one here, 2U divided by, let me change the color pen. 2U divided by U will give us what now? 2. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. 2U divided by what? By 2. This 2U divided by what? By 2. You get the point, right? Will give us what now? 1. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. 1 times this one, you can do LCM. That now become what now? 3 over what? 2u. That's how they got to this place here. That's what you're seeing here. You get the point right now. So if you have 3 over what now? Over 2u. If you have 3 over what? 2u. So you are going to be having something like, cross multiply. You understand? That's a 1 over 20 is equals to 3 over 2u. You cross multiply. So at the end of the day, you'll be able to have, let's take it back. You'll be able to have, that'll be equals to, you'll be able to have, that'll be 2u, that's 2, this times this. 2u is equals to 60. Divided by what? By 2. U will be equals to what now? You have 30. You get the point right? And that is the 30 we have in this place here. So 30 is the answer. You get the point right? 30 is the answer. We got it right. You get the point right? That is it. As simple as that. Thank you.